Exams only measure the memory of the students, as exams has many unfair, many flaws in it, and the students which do not study much can score good marks than students who are honest, as they can score marks with many unfair means.
But if the students will only learn knowledge which the teacher has given during the classes, then they will not need to memorize all the things in one day and will know the answers without any doubt.
But when they learn, what is the guarantee that that this learning will stay in their memory? So exams measure the memory of the students.
If exams were to measure the memory of the students, why would the teacher waste so much time on telling the students about all the things? Why would she give students so much knowledge? Why would she waste her time?
This is today's world. Early students revise all the things, learn the things, but today children are lazy and they memorize all the things by not learning them.
But a human cannot memorize so much questions in one day. If he tries so, he can forget many questions and lose marks. So learning is a better way.
But today's children rest all the